Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on the resurrection day, death will be brought in the form of piebald ram. Abu Quraib added, it will be made stand between paradise and hell. Then it will be said, O the inhabitants of paradise, do you recognize it? They will look at it, stretching their necks and say, yes, it is death. It will then be said, O the denizens of hell, do you recognize it? They, stretching their necks, will look at it and say, yes, it is death. Then orders will be passed to slaughter it, and it will be slaughtered. It will then be said, O the inhabitants of paradise, now eternity will reign, and death is no more. And O the denizens of hell, now eternity will reign, and death is no more. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited these words and warned them of the day of regret, when the matter would have been decreed, and they are in the negligence, and they believe not. Surah Maryam, verse 39. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then signaled with his hand towards the worldly life. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7110.